Hey, what is up guys, Mergaman4 here, back with another Mergan Modded Survival 2.0, and so as you can see I started work on the house, and I'm really confused as to what's going on here, because I just kind of went outside, and there were a whole bunch of chickens with baby pigs falling from the sky, and I don't understand what's going on, or where they're coming from, or why. So I'm just kind of sitting here confused. Did it just die? They're dying when they hit the ground too. Like what the heck? It's raining chickens and pigs. It's literally raining chickens and pigs. And I don't know what's happening. I'm very confused. Is this something to do with the weather mod or something or other? Because this doesn't make sense. In any case, I guess we can just ignore that. But as you can see, I started work on a house, a home base, and it's not the prettiest. I'm not really the best at that kind of design. I also did a bit more mining, and so I got a bunch more stuff, and at some point I do plan on making a whole bunch of extra floors, each floor with a different purpose, maybe downstairs for storage and stuff like that, because I don't want to just throw all my stuff in one chest. I want it to be a bit more organized than that. And I also died a bunch more times while I was mining and stuff. So, yeah. And I also fixed up this pond a bit, because it had a really big collapse, and then it started even draining down here and stuff in this cave, and so I did my best to fix that up. So, yeah, here we are with another modded survival episode. It's been a while, and oh my goodness, this is extremely laggy. Why is it so laggy? Yeah, and so I don't know what's going on with the raining pigs and chickens, but I did find a couple of other ravines. I found one here, and I found one over there where ravine 2 is. I didn't set a waypoint for this ravine yet. And so I'll probably explore those off-screen, because I've done a bunch of mining on-screen. And I think for this episode, maybe we'll just do a bit of exploring. Now, unfortunately, I don't think I have any redstone, so I can't make a map. Let me just check that first, though, because a map might be useful, and I really don't know why I'm so laggy right now. It's very disappointing. But oh, these Jacko-mans, they're making a lot of annoying noises. Hopefully they despawn when I leave them. I also need to get some more food going. Because this is all starting to rot, because I completely forgot. It completely slipped my mind that the food actually starts to rot after an amount of time. What did I come back in here for? Oh yeah, it's trick for redstone. Doesn't look like it. Okay. So yeah, I can't make a map just yet, but that's alright. We can explore the immediate area. And oh, it's becoming night. Should I do some monster killing, or should I just skip that? You know what, I'm gonna try and do... Are they exploding when they hit the ground? Are they exploding? Let's examine this. They're not just dying, they're exploding. What the frig? I don't even know what's going on. Yeah, I think we'll just explore the immediate area. Won't bother going to sleep. We'll just go around, and if we run into any monsters, we can just battle them off, hopefully. Actually, I just realized I do not have any armor. You know, that'd probably be something good to get. So, I think it'd be a good idea to do that first, after I collect some of these fossils. Ooh, that's neat, a vertebrae. This is really annoying how laggy it's being, though, because It was running perfectly fine earlier. And I don't know why it's gotten so darn laggy. It's very, very annoying. Is it because of these dang falling chicken pigs? I don't know. Oh, hey, zombie. Drink some water. Oh, there are 2 zombies. Oh, and they're not even following me. My goodness. Gosh darn lag. What do I want to make armor out of? Titanium, that seems pretty strong. Pyritites. I think I have some steel, don't I? Yeah, I wonder how steel is. Steel seems fairly strong. I think, yeah, I have enough to make a whole set. So let's do that. Steel armor should be pretty good. Oh my goodness, so laggy. Maybe it's because Bandicam's lagging it out. That could be it. Oh, those Jacko, whatever they're called. They're not called Jack-o'-lanterns, Jack-o'-skeletons or whatever. The noises they make are so annoying. Like, seriously, shut up. There we go, now I'm a bit more prepared. Oh, hey there. You shall die. Ah, there we go. Just collect some experience points. Oh my goodness, this lag is ridiculous. Whoa! I am barely able to do anything. It's like crap. Actually, let's see if I can't make myself a bow. A bow would be very useful. I've only got 4 arrows, but that's alright. I have enough string too. That's good. If this would just stop lagging, that would be marvelous. Yeah, these Jacko-mans, they're very annoying, and they're not hostile, but can't really kill them either because they have 1,000 health. All right, is this gonna be bad if I attack you? Probably. Oh, yep, they're both coming after me. Let's get somewhere where I can more easily defend myself. Oh, there's another ogre. Oh, geez, and there's a wraith. And this is getting really laggy. Frick. Don't. Are you gonna crash on me? Nope, I'm just gonna kill in a Cyclops, apparently, but it's too laggy for me to tell. This is absolute crap. You know, thank goodness it's not 1.9, because with that new weapon stuff... Oh, is that gold? I think that's gold. That's some nice loot. Shut up, Jacko-man. I mean, seriously. It can be a Cyclops. Let's get that gold. Gold's cool. Eat some chicken. Oh, well, I'm really hot, apparently. What's that over there? It's a scorpion. Scorpion could be nice to kill. Ah, creepers. Oh, you might have noticed, today is Christmas, so that's why the chest was like a present. And you might also notice that creepers actually have snow blocks on their heads. So you can see the creepers off in the distance there. They've got snow blocks in their heads. I'm apparently really, really hot. Got really, really hot. I've got hypothermia. I thought it was... Usually I'm overheating. Why am I so cold? What is so cold? Huh? Why am I... What? Oh, maybe it's because it's night. I've been sleeping through the nights. And why is this so laggy? No, maybe if I try closing it and... Oh, no, not those freaking creeper mites. Maybe if I try closing it and then opening it up again, because this is getting absolutely ridiculous. The lag, I can't do anything, and it's pointless. And I hear a baby zombie. Don't you dare. What the... Oh, shoot. Oh, and I also set my spawn point inside the house. Just because... Oh, well, that's not as laggy. Because... That's really the only thing I've cheated with, because it was getting ridiculous, continually spawning over there. And even though I've used the bed, it wasn't really doing anything. Why are you not responding? Why are you acting as if I'm not hitting you? Yeah, even though I used the bed, it wasn't spawning me there. So, come on, I don't want to see a whole bunch of zombies. I want to see a whole bunch of mod creatures. I want to see unique things. Yeah, like you, the silver skeleton. I'm still really confused about the chickens raining from the sky. It really doesn't make sense. Oh, look, a cave. Not only that, the pigs are riding on their backs. It's a strange thing. It's really, really strange. Hello, Mr. Creeper. Ooh, nice hat. I'm gonna murder you for it. Don't blow up. Your electric creepers. Don't blow up. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I hate these creeper mites. Oh, I'm losing hunger fast, too. Whoa! Ah, yikes. I really need to get some more food. My goodness. Oh, so you may be wondering where I got the glowstone. I haven't been to the Nether, don't worry. You guys haven't missed anything. But a light creeper blew up, and those ones spawn in a whole bunch of glowstone. And so I was able to steal that and use it as an aesthetic design. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's that hissy creeper sound from? Die, zombie. Ooh, I got a zombie. Very nice. Explode in the water. I don't want you blowing anything up. No! Frig you. You know how long it got me? You know how long it friggin' took me to get that staying because of the stupid Enviromine collapsing stuff? See what I mean? It's ridiculous. Start burning, zombies. Start burning. Oh, no you don't, Mr. Creeper. Oh, no you don't. Blow up in the water, fine, but not at the blocks. Oh, there goes the squid. No! If you... Oh, I am face palming so hard right now. I am not happy. That's ridiculous. Ooh, an ender spider. I'll take you. Unless you teleport away, of course. Alright, well, I'm going to fix this off screen. At some point. And I'm apparently really, really cold. But my house is apparently really, really hot. So, I'm going to go there and warm myself up a bit. When is this going to stop raining chickens? Oh, lost soul. Let's go kill a lost soul first. You know, hopefully... Oh, wait, where'd that lost soul go? Hopefully next episode it won't be nearly as ridiculously, unnecessarily laggy. Whoa. You're a werewolf. Right, just... You haven't... Oh my goodness. Oh, you creeper mites. Screw you. Screw you.
Stop it!
Yep. There you go. Take your sticks. And I am getting really, really cold, actually. I've got hypothermia. I'm gonna, like, freeze to death. Ah! No! I'm dying! Don't kill me! Why Why is it so cold? What is it, wintertime or something? Okay. Well, I'm gonna need to eat something. But for now, I think I'm gonna leave the episode off there. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. I apologize greatly for the lag. It's really, really bothersome. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. My words are just tumbling out of my mouth really badly. Thank you guys so much for watching. And Merkin Man 4, over and out. I'll see you guys later.